How many countries have border with the Black Sea? Answer C. 6. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in the city. Answer C. Oslo. All Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize is given at the city. Answer B. Stockholm. Which one is the largest country by population in African continents? Answer B. Nigeria. Which one is the first constitutional republic in Asia? Answer D. Taiwan. Which country has the highest density of population in the world? Answer B. Bangladesh. The island Bali, famous as tourist spot, is a part of which country? Answer A. Indonesia. La Paz is the capital city of. Answer A. Bolivia. Which one is the most populous city in South America? Answer C. Sao Paulo. Sultan Ahmed Mosque is located in. Answer A. Istanbul. Kiev is the capital city of. Answer D. Ukraine. Which city is also known as the fruit garden of Pakistan? Answer B. Quetta. The headquarters of the European Parliament is located in. Answer B. Brussels. Krone is the currency of which country? Answer C. Denmark. Earth Day is celebrated on. Answer D. April 22. Rand is the currency of. Answer B. South Africa. Kimono is a dress style of which Asian country? Answer C. Japan. The United Nations General Assembly meets regularly. Answer B. Once in a year. Warsaw is the capital of. Answer B. Poland. Which one is the most saline water body in the world? Answer D. Don Juan Pound. Diego Garcia is an island in which ocean? Answer C. Indian Ocean. Which was the first country to introduce VAT? Answer B. France. Which city is also known as the City of Canals? Answer C. Venice. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? Answer D. China. Where are the headquarters of World Wide Fund for Nature WWF? Answer D. Switzerland. The Pico Island is located in. Answer C. Portugal. The Engadine Valley is located in. Answer D. Switzerland. Egypt connects the two continents. Answer A. Asia and Africa. What was the first country to recognize the US as independent? Answer A. Morocco. Which was the first country to leave the UN? Answer C. Indonesia. In which country were modern banknotes first used? Answer A. Sweden. Which country was the first to make seatbelt compulsory for journey? Answer B. Czechoslovakia. The oldest written constitution of government in effect in which country? Answer B. USA. Where is the world's longest sea bridge? Answer C. China. The longest road tunnel of the world is? Answer B. Saint Gotthard, Sweden. Largest artificial lake in the world is? Answer A. Lake Kariba. The youngest elected president of USA is? Answer A. John F. Kennedy. Panama, a country, connects the two continents. Answer D. South America and North America. Who was the first man to fly into space? Answer A. Yuri Gagarin. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Answer B. Brazil. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in? Answer A. Italy. Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer D. Arctic. The longest lunar eclipse of 21st century was occurred on? Answer B. 27 July 2018. Pemba and Zanzibar Island of Africa are famous for the cultivation and export of? Answer A. Cloves. Which of the following countries are separated by the Strait of Gibraltar? Answer C. Morocco and Spain. Oxus is the ancient name of which of the following rivers? Answer C. Amu Darya. Which of the following is the narrowest strait of the world? Answer A. Bosporus. Tibetan plateau can be best placed in which among the following categories of plateaus? Intermontane plateau. What is the upper limit of Richter scale? Answer D. No limit. Yokohama and Kobe are the main center of shipbuilding industry in? Answer A. Japan.